Welcome to the Birmingham Botanical Gardens. There's always something new to explore here. Admission is free and the gardens are open every day of the week.
We also have a library on site that offers children's books and more. We invite you to visit us and find out what the gardens means to you.
I'm Mary Thompson.
And I'm Pammy Angert.
We volunteer with the Junior League of Birmingham, an organization of women who strive to help and support the amazing community that we all live in.
Through Can You Dig It, our educational partnership with the Friends of Birmingham Botanical Gardens, we're excited to guide you on your discovery field trip journey.
I'm standing outside of the conservatory. The Tropical House in the center is the largest clear span glasshouse in the Southeast. Visiting here is just like traveling many miles to the tropical rainforest, a lush green world where plants and animals live in an abundant home. Step inside and see many shades of green under the canopy of leaves above. The air is fresh and you'll hear the sound of water dripping from the leaves down to the forest floor and trickling from a rock waterfall. If you enjoy cooking, you'll be excited to know that you can discover plants from which we can get some of our favorite foods. Future scientists might like to know that tropical rainforest plants are used for medicine, some of which may be yet to be discovered. Tropical rainforests are home to over half of the world's plants and animals, and they produce 40% of the world's oxygen. Can you find out why? Each layer of these tropical forests make up unique ecosystems, hosting plants and animals that call them home. From the canopy, where climbing vines reach for the sun and a rainbow of birds' nests, to the forest floor, where frogs splash in pools of bromeliads, full of water falling from the leaves of drip tips and more. We need to understand this important ecosystem so we can do our part to protect it. Let's begin our journey at Birmingham Botanical Gardens and meet some pretty amazing plants. Plants have adapted or changed over millions of years to live in the environment in which they grow. Just like animals are camouflaged to protect themselves in their environment, plants have adapted to live in their environment in amazing ways too. Searching for sunshine. Vines climb upon trunks to grow as they reach for the sunshine. Drip tips. Water drips off the tips of the leaves to the forest floor. Leaves are like a rain jacket and form beads, almost as if saving these drops for the plants and animals on the forest floor. Storing water. These plants survive during dry periods by storing water in their trunks or thick stems. Woody support. Trees need to stand tall, and since they can't rely on the thick, nutritious soil for their roots, they grow roots above ground to stand strong. Coping with pests. How can plants send a message for animals and insects not to snack upon their leaves and stems? Thorny trunks and stems say please keep away. This also is nature's way of protecting the animal too, since some of those plants could be poisonous. Collecting nutrients. Leaves form a bowl and collect leaves and water which provide nutrients for the plant, or even a home for insects and animals. Did you know that a frog can live its entire life cycle in the pool of a bromeliad?
As we explore plants growing in the conservatory at Birmingham Botanical Gardens, let's discover what product or adaptation makes each one unique. Look closely at the silvery leaves and you'll know how this plant got its name. Growing in the canopy upon the ficus tree of woody support, it forms a bowl. Collecting nutrients is its adaptation. Let's discover a tropical treasure, the cacao tree. Small white flowers emerge from the trunk and produce football-shaped pods containing seeds that, when roasted, are used to make cocoa powder. Other ingredients are added to make chocolate. The brown-headed spider monkeys of Central and South American rainforest live in the canopy and help spread cacao seeds so that new saplings can grow in the forest. But they are one of the most endangered primate species. Hopefully, this can improve if farmers learn how to grow cacao in this shape instead of cutting trees. This is just one example of what's happening to save the plants and animals of the tropical rainforest. A member of the orchid family, vanilla is a climbing vine which searches for sunshine and produces a large flower that lasts one day. It opens in the morning and closes at night. Its fruit is called vanilla bean and contains thousands of tiny seeds which are used to flavor special treats and make vanilla extract. It gets its name from the Spanish word, vanilla, which means small pod. During dry weather, the Ponytail Palm adapts by storing water in its trunk. These bright red puffy flowers give this plant its name, the red powder puff. Hummingbirds are attracted to the bright red flowers. Coffee is native to the rainforest of Africa. We can find flowers, unripe green fruit, and ripe red fruit growing on the coffee plant at the same time. That's why farmers hand-pick the ripe red fruit, which contains 2 beans. It takes 3,000 beans to produce 1 pound of coffee. More than 1 cultivar of banana plants grow in our conservatory and are native to Asia. Broad leaves form drip tips and provide filtered light to the forest floor. Single fruits are called fingers, and a group of fingers is called a hand of bananas. How can we help make a difference? We can share the message that trees are important, use recycled paper, and support farmers growing sustainable crops by looking for rainforest certified products.
What was your favorite discovery today? Explore the conservatory at Birmingham Botanical Gardens as you find your favorite plant product and amazing plant adaptation. Write a story, draw a picture, and make sure to tag us with a photo on social media to share your tropical adventure with us. We want to know what the gardens means to you. Visit the gardens soon and experience the wonderful world of the conservatory. Then visit the gardens website to explore more through discovery field trips, digging deeper STEAM activities. We hope to see you soon at the Birmingham Botanical Gardens.